Hello, and welcome to our video on the amazing benefits of chia seeds. In this video, we will explore the many reasons why chia seeds are considered a superfood and how they can have a positive impact on your health and well-being. From their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids to their impressive fiber content, chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that should be a staple in everyone's diet. So let's dive in and discover the many benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds have been around for thousands of years, but it's only in recent years that they've gained popularity as a superfood. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrients and can help improve your health in a number of ways. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the amazing benefits of chia seeds and why you should consider adding them to your diet. One of the most impressive benefits of chia seeds is their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation in the body. Chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of fiber. In fact, just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains a whopping 11 grams of fiber. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to improve their digestive health, regulate blood sugar levels, and even lose weight. Another benefit of chia seeds is their high levels of antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the body against damage from free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. In addition to their impressive nutritional profile, chia seeds are also incredibly versatile. They can be added to smoothies, used as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal, or even used as a replacement for eggs in baking. This makes them an easy and convenient way to add a nutritional boost to your diet. Here are some simple ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. Add chia seeds to your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a fiber and protein boost. Make chia seed pudding by combining chia seeds with almond milk, sweetener, and flavorings like vanilla or cinnamon. Refrigerate overnight for a delicious and nutritious breakfast or dessert. Use chia seeds as a healthy egg replacement in baked goods by mixing 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and letting it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it forms a gel-like texture. Add chia seeds to smoothies for an extra dose of protein, fiber, and omega-3. Sprinkle chia seeds on top of salads, soups, or roasted vegetables for a crunchy texture and added nutrition. Use chia seeds to thicken sauces or dressings by whisking them into the mixture and allowing them to absorb liquid. Make homemade energy bars or granola bars by mixing chia seeds with other nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Make a chia seed jam by blending chia seeds with fresh or frozen fruit and a sweetener of your choice. Refrigerate overnight for a delicious spreadable jam. Add chia seeds to your water or juice for a refreshing and hydrating drink. So, there you have it, the amazing benefits of chia seeds. From their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids to their impressive fiber content, chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can help improve your health in a number of ways. So why not add some chia seeds to your next meal and reap the many benefits that they have to offer? Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, why not subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you in the next one.